Hey, Commander Morning. Yazi ayikho bafethu izinto engistressa njengepolitiki infethu. You see, I really don't understand ukuthi either abantu abayisupportayo ipolitiki or ama-leaders or yini ba-operate kanjani yabona. Ba-operate ngenye nje indlela yabona. So, ngeke ngabona nje nomsindo omkhulu yabona. Umsindo omkhulu. Hey bafethu ayibekho abantu abacabanga kancane njengalabantu uthi at some point ukuthi they were appointed as MK leaders and they were removed and they are fighting back, or those people who are fighting for certain leaders to be removed yabona. Abekho abantu abacabanga kancane njengalabo yabona. You can just look around and see ukuthi amaqemba operator njani. You could see ukuthi most of organizations are intact, are focusing go government and focusing into next elections. Why are we fighting? What are we fighting for? Fighting for what? Because tina we know ukuthi what we want. Cabanga nje going all out ngempela. You are hating uFloyd. Kusho ukuthi awukazi uhlangana ngishona naye uFloyd Shivambu. But everything is wrong in the MK, it's Floyd Shivambu, in anything. Comrades, I can tell you, if there is something wrong done by SG, I can make you a simple example. Ne? Akaze kube ne-campaign yokuthi uMzwanele Manye must be removed, uMzwanele Manye performance yakhe injani in. But i-leadership performance kaMzwanele Manye i-assessile yabona ukuthi I know. We are not happy about the performance yakhe yamremove. There was no campaign against uMzwanele Manye. Even though mhlawumbe ubungayizwe emasayidini yabona. And then now umbheka ubona ukuthi that comrade yabona. There are many comrades in the MK wabona ukuthi are not performing right. Why lawo ma comrade enga-attack wa comrade? Yabona. Why enga-attack? Mina ngakwenzela example nje, I'm not happy nge-communication team lentoza MK, but I trust the leadership ukuthi izwe assessa ibone ukuthi performa njani and take a decision, and that decision kufanele ukuthi benefits ilentoza organization. Yabona nje naqala enye into. Yabona into ewesike manje Tswane ne? Uyabona ulentoza will work kamnandi uColin Makhubela, because there was no campaign ukuthi uMzwanele Manye in ukuze kuthengwa ama-influencer, so people just will come uColin Makhubela and they work yabona. You could see ukuthi MK there in parliament kunezinto ebengagcolisi kodwa nje sishaya indiva because we knew ukuthi i-organization izoyilungisa, and hopefully they are trying to fix it. Nina, do you think ukuthi after campaigning for so long ukuthi uFloyd must be removed, do you think ukuthi lowo muntu ozo-appointwa kuphuka iposition ka-SG uzokuthola nokuphumula? I-organization izokuba njani-ke thina so analyze analyze ngisho intombi yakhe lowo muntu uma kuthi umfana. It's gonna be nice. Organization izokuba njani? You started it and it's wrong. Yabona. Some of you are even following lo mama lona walana eMpumalanga uMary Phathi. Who's Mary Phathi in the revolution, by the way? Yabona. You ask yourself ukuthi labantu laba yazi kunezinto okufanele ukuthi ukuyibuke nje uthi la buka nje. But ke nje comrade, you see ukuthi this thing ye campaign ukuthi SG aka remove. Uyabona ukuthi into an extent uthi nizenkhiphe ngisho propaganda nithi hayi uzo-remove kusasa, uzo-remove kusasa, uzo-remove kusasa. Are you happy ngokuthi organization fanele ihlale ngoba umuntu ongenzi kahle uzo-identify organization and izomremove. Izomremove. You see ukuthi you turn us against our leaders in fact, because some of those leaders are part of this crew yokuthi SG must go. And then nizosenza ukuthi we must analyze our leaders manje in parliament, in national high command, and it's not going to be nice. And leyo nto leyo angeke ibenefit endawo iMK kuyona. Kodwa you have senisiphushe kwikhona ngenye indlela ukuthi leli khona nisiphushe kulona, we'll have no choice but to respond now. We have no choice but to respond, because you find abantu abangakaze belide ndawo, yabona iMK is new. You find a person who never led anywhere, yabona, even ilentuzo iNGO, yabo, national, yabona lama organization angenza izuzo, akaza leader kwi foundation, akanze leader umuntu, and lowo muntu is given a responsibility lana MK. Yena useyibona ukuthi usepolitiki useyini. Ipolitiki is science, and the science is complicated. So you cannot learn politics over the night. Yabona? And ipolitiki will never be genetically programmed. Never. Either your grandmother or grandmother was a politician, usocabanga ukuthi that thing will be genetically programmed to you. It cannot be. Yabona? You started the politics. You must understand ukuthi politics isebenza kanjani. So angeke uvuke politics over the night. That's why ungeke ubambe ifoni because une data when you are just following ama current affairs. You wake up so politics. Never. So into ejulile. To win abantu ingqondo into ejulile. Yazi nina nginibona into eyodwa, yabona. Some of you mhlawumbe na happy ukuthi there and there we are winning, there and there siyawina lapha. Hey comrade, abantu ababafuna abantu abaxabanayo. Abantu ababafuna abantu abaxabanayo. So once babona ukuthi there is no stability lapha, people are always bad mouthing each other. People will just do a very simple thing. Nguthanda impela umkhonto wesizwe, but I'll just stay at home. I'm not going to vote. Abantu bayakwenza lokho, and you'll lose elections. So nje lento yenu lena enanrecruitwe kuyona to fight an individually into an extent ukuthi angithi niyazi ukuthi makulwa indlovu embili into eqothuka yini utshani. What will suffer the most is MK. Yabona? At some point, if you think ukuthi uthando labantu nge-organization is unconditional, you are wrong. Yabona? Uthando labantu nge-organization is conditional. And those people ngeke mabebona ukuthi labantu bezanjani, people will just stay at home and will not come out and vote for you. We'll be calling a meeting emahholo, uvela ubona ukuthi angithi siwabiza idedam, uvela ubona ukuthi ayisagcwala idedam. Uye emahholo, yabona. Uye emahholo ubothi nansi engagcwala ihholo, uthi hayi sizobabamba evotini. Evotini ungatholi. Mina I'm always emphasizing this ukuthi ama MK voters most of them were silent voters. And then kunabantu abathi thina we mobilize for MK, we up and down in most of MK voters were silent voters. Thina sasikhona kuma voting station, kuma information table were there. Sasi minority, sasi bancane. People were getting inside VDs wearing different political t-shirts and sasi bancane ngisho nangaphandle sasihleli kuma information table, but ama voters sasiwathola ngaphakathi hayi emaningi because we had silent voters. Why don't we respect ama silent voters? Ngoba ama silent voters they knew umsebenzi amsholoza ukuthi uyini, yabona, but they were not committed enough ukuthi bengayiveza ukuthi si MK siyini. What we are doing, we are chasing away ama silent voters. And those silent voters are people who used to stay away, bengayo vote, and they came out in numbers and voted for us. Ama silent vote. Why don't we try ukuthi silentoza ama silent voter bafethu? Nobody mobilized for MK more than anybody. No. We're just there and there and there and there. But ubuso bamsholozi i-MK yathola lama vote because ubuso bamsholozi, not because of you. Not because of you, but it was just the face of Jacob Zuma. No, to Jacob Zuma is leading that party. Akekho futhi omunye.